Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. So simply you have to open your YouTube app. So as you see, I have opened my YouTube app. So here you can see multiple videos are here. So we are going to open some video. So simply I am opening this. So wait for a few seconds. So here you can see the video is open. Simply click here. So here what you have to understand that it is the personal setting of YouTube someone has. If turned on, you cannot see the comment on specific video. So if someone has turned it on, you can see the comments in comment section. So you cannot view the comment if someone has off the comment on his video.